Alright, go. Let's try this again. Alright, gang. Here I am. This is Swamp Fox, and I am fixing to play in Guadalcanal. After last episode, I found myself all in a tizzy because I couldn't figure out why I ended up. And now I'm in a game with only 3 people. What is going on? I lost connection. You know what? I wonder if everybody lost connection at the same time. Sometimes that happens. And now it's just throwing me into a game with like 2 other people. I don't normally fly, you guys know that. Wow, this is terrible. I might have to just not record this one. We'll see. Come up in the air, see if it's like these other 2 are actually playing or not. Level it out here a little bit. No, I don't. Well, got one guy playing. Oh, yep, he is playing. Oh, I hit the tree. I hit a tree. Okay, now we've got 4 people playing. Watch out. This game's really starting to come back now. Watch it hit. Let's see. I'll come here. Getting a cheap. Wow. Let's see if we can dominate them real quick. Oh my goodness, I hit a tree. That's why I don't fly. I don't fly. I've tried flying. I think I've blown up like one thing with the dropping bomb. I've been playing this game for a long time now. I just don't do it. I just do not fly. I don't like it. Okay, got the radio bunker. We are all set now. Who has started the air raid? Or did they start air raid? Alright, let's see. It's up. Whoop, it's now 3 on 3. Watch out. Alright, we got one in the air, one up underneath me. Let's see if they're going to actually attack us or not. Up, they went to the far side. Far side of the moon. Alright, dude. You missed that ride. Don't have time to wait on you. Because most likely they're coming up through here. Or there's a good chance they're coming up through there. Alright, there they are. Going to the air raid bunker. Yep, hello Daisy. Don't know Daisy. Alrighty, let's hide right here. I have time enough to get here, get this. Alright, whoa, it's 4 on 3 now. Well, it's starting to fill in. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. I heard something. What'd I hear? Oh, where'd they go? Let's see if Daisy's going to protect herself. I'm assuming it's a her. Daisies are usually hers. Hello, Daisy. Oh, I hadn't reloaded yet. Shoot her in the back end. Oh, I missed. What? No! I'm having like 2 games, terrible games in a row. 2 terrible games in a row. What is going on? Maybe just rage quit, go take a nap, come back later. Where'd she go? She didn't go that way, did she? No, where'd she go? She couldn't have blown up that quick. What happened? Couldn't get up a hill that quick. Yes, she did. Wow. Okay. And I totally missed that shot. Let's see here. Good, it's 5-4 now. She's taking shots at me. Good, here we go. Let's see here, she's gonna come at me. Yeah. Excuse me. Oh, I'm sneezing. I'm sneezing and I'm getting shot at. Ah! Holy cow. Oh my goodness, where'd that sneeze come from? No! Oh my gosh. That sneeze go. I hope that wasn't too loud. I'm gonna have to play back and see if that was too loud. Oh my goodness, that was hilarious. Alright. Wow, we're losing now. Alright, I was sitting here playing around and good grief. Uh-oh. There's the tank. Yep. Woo! Woo! That was close. Man, that was close. I don't think they expect me to take off that quick. Wow. Alright, let's go here to take this one back. Oh. Whew. Look, I'm just like nothing but smoke. Let's get out of there. Alright, look around. Any dynamite? Alright, hide down in the hole. Don't see anybody coming. It's 4-on-4. Alright, that's fine. 4-on-4 is fun too. Here it goes, here we go, here we go. Oh, man, my thumb's still killing me. Oh, somebody's shooting at me, shooting at me, shooting at me. Where are you at? Where are you at? I don't see him. Oh, there they are. Nah, I shot late. Man, that was way late. Alright, well, let's have some fun with them now. Because obviously they think they're going to win. So we get the long edges. And then what we do is I go in the middle. A lot of people are like, oh, let's go to the middle real quick. That's really close. Don't go close. Go long. Make them chase you. Because as they chase you, then they find that they have no idea where you're at. Which, since my teammate got that one, we now can attack the center. Don't go long center either. Long center's terrible. Yeah, I know I gave myself away a little bit, but I'd much rather do that than anything. The airplane just got 2 of our guys there. Oh, somebody's coming around there. It's 5-on-5 now. Ooh, starting to come up nice. Good, good, good. I like it when the game starts to increase. Come on, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get this. I'll take this place down here. I know where they're at now. Hopefully they won't be driving down this way. Take a little peek that way to the right. Don't see anybody coming. Going to jump to this hole. Hide in the back end of this. It's a fairly safe spot. Fairly safe. At least you can look. If you point your weapon right there, you can see through both doors. You just got to keep your eyes going both directions. Okay, so now we have village. I think I hear a tank. Backside out here. Oh, if you didn't know that, I don't know if I've ever showed y'all that. Take your little weapons or knives or anything like that, swords, and do that. That's the Y button. And you can break through fence. I don't think you can break anything else with it. I know you can kill people with it. Can you break trees with it? No. Oh yeah, you can break trees with it too. Don't know how you do that. I guess you chop it for wood. You know, you can't burn anything. That's pretty funny though. Never tried that before. just then. I had him sneak up on this guy up on the... Hopefully he will stay there. Please stay there. It's so much more fun trolling you from here. Yeah. Here we go. Ready? Hello. How are you today? Obviously not having a good day anymore. Okay, good. Looks like I did not give them a chance to respawn. Alright, let's start winning. Oh man, every time I think we about have it, they get another one. It's keeping us right on. See, that's what I say. You get the long ends, it makes it harder to get 3. So they just got 3. Oh my goodness! Wow! That was... Okay, that was weird. How in the world did they do that? We're going to fix that. Stretch my fingers here. Gotta take this. No, 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 no. Man, like leaning sideways, like that was going to help. I hit it hard, but not hard enough. There's another tank there coming down. What? Why is my team quitting? Like rage quitting on me already? Come on, guys, we can do this. I don't care how many people they got. They ain't got enough. Alright, let's take this Jeep. Again, we're going to do this the easy way. Oh, man, come on. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No, you don't want none of this. There you go. Oh, now there's a tank after me. Come on. Just trying to get behind the rock. Get behind the rock in time. Alright, fine. We'll have to do it the hard way. Batman! Come on, where are you? You got something for him? Oh, wait. Here he comes, here he comes. Why didn't you put bombs out? Come on. Oh, I just dropped my controller. Can you believe that? Oh, I was pulling the trigger shooting him, and the air raid got me. Oh, come on. Seriously? Alright, good. Yay, good job. Did you kill the person here? Oh, wow. I'm going to take that back now. I hate losing like that. I'm going to take that back. Just for that. That person probably still be there because they don't have any vehicles to think up. Everything got blown up by the air raid. I did blow up their Jeep. Don't see them. Don't see them. Don't hear them. Down in here. Safe, safe. Oh, this is hard because you can respawn anywhere. In there, over here. You can respawn over there. This is one of the tougher ones to be prepared for. Alright. We got Raider Bunker back. Let's get our vehicle. Oh. Didn't get enough. Come on. There we go. Come on. Go on, Jeep. Shot up again by some other airplane. Alright, airplane is nowhere near. Guess where we're going? We're going right down here. Into here, back under here. We'll hide. Same spot. Oh man, come on, seriously? It's 3 on 5, so I mean they do have slight advantage. Slight. I won't give them too much an advantage, but they do have a slight advantage. Alright, did my Jeep blow up? No, it did not. Oh, even better, I parked it right on the Fix-It's place. How about that? Can't blow up there, I don't think. Oh, I've never tried it there. Don't know if you can blow up there or not. Zeros in the comment. Let's go this way. Oh, come on, get up here, get up here, get up here. Don't know where the air raid is. Don't know where the air raid is. Don't know where the air raid is. Oh, I hear it. Yes! Oops. Get down low, back. Alright, weapon ready. Alright, I think we have this. Alright, peek around here, don't see anything. Alright, good. I'm gonna win this side. This is where I've been trying to get back to. Good. It's easier to Oh, he blew it up! Oh my goodness! Fine, Daisy, you want that? Take some of that. Take some of this. Take some of that too. There you go. Take some of that. Alright, that didn't do much. Didn't do enough. Yeah, I only got 1 kill on this. 300 points though. Heh. It's easy to get this many. We don't have that many people, it's easy to get points. Alright, let's go back. No, over here. Ow, ow, ow. Thump, thump, thump. There we go. Whoa, I missed. Hey, Kaz. Where'd Daisy go? Let's see where Daisy went. I know Daisy went right this way. Alright, Daisy's around here somewhere. Whoa, he got Daisy. Missed me. And here comes the air raid. Oh, there it dropped their bombs. Ha! Oh, seriously? Come on. Get up the hill. Yeah, Deadly got me. Deadly 09, 009. Yeah, I see how it's gonna be there, punk. Good grief, no. What am I getting shot at with now? Just trying to run and get out of the way. Help them attack this area up there. What happened? Did it even hit him? No way! Ah, come on. You got to be kidding me. You can't be that way. Seriously. It doesn't feel like it hit him at all. Oh, I'm hitting from the back in here. I probably hit them, but they killed me at the same time, but they're... Wow. Okay, here we go. I didn't miss that time. Uh-huh. Yeah. See, he had to get out. Oh, I didn't think I missed. Get the hook. Down, 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 down. Okay, up. Fire. Missed him. Got him. Dizzy. Got the dizzy. Man, oh days. Come on. God, you're kidding me. It is a close game, though. You know, I don't mind close games. I like close games. Takes a lot more effort. There's not a whole lot of us, but there's enough. You know, make it into a decent game. Let's throw it right up in there. You gotta be. How did he get me? How did he get me? He must have just did get my head as I was ducking down. I thought I was low enough, but I guess not. That's the dangers of attacking that hill when there's a tank on it. You know what? We're gonna do this. Ooh, good grief. Alright, Kaz, let's go get him. Straight in here, take this base back. We can still win this. Maybe. Maybe. Watch here. See, I've got a bigger angle to watch now. Go ahead and change. 2 bullets could be the difference. You never know. Oh, that's Kaz firing. Good, 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 good. Alright, let's go take this way. Watching for tanks. There was one on top of this hill. Man, days, I got that other side again. I'm just going to take this. That air raid's coming. They probably see me. I hear him, I hear him, I hear him. Yeah, you got cause. Air raid's coming, air raid's coming, come on. There we go, come on, come on, come on, come on. Air raid's coming. Come on. Get up, get up, get up. Take one for the team, take one for the team, take one for the team. Yes! Yes, we cleared everything. Yes, 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 yes. Down. Oh my goodness, I couldn't bend down. I was trying to get down. I was too far on that flat. I thought I was at that right at the edge, but I wasn't. You can see. You could tell. You could tell. Alright, I figured he'd be coming straight up here, and he is. So I'm going to get close to the edge here, fire, and get down. Why can't I get down the edge? Seriously, I shouldn't have crouched, because when you crouch, you go slower. And so what happened was I was trying to fire and crouched at the same time. Ah, no, I missed. And unfortunately, that was. No, he's full health. Alright. Go! Got him. A lot of those are just hoping you're going to hit something. Like throwing them in here. Sometimes people respawn inside there, or they get shot by Puton. How do you say your name, dude? Sorry if I said it wrong. Nope. See the difference? See the difference? I didn't squat this time, and they're gonna be looking for me. Shot from behind, and it's too late, baby. He shot me in the back. Man. Platoon. Dude, I'm trying not to mask your name there. Excellent job, excellent job. Nope. Down, down, down now. Trying to run backwards. You can't run backwards fast. Trying to stay up there with the leads. I'm not catching 1,200 points. Good grief, that guy's just lived in that tank. Yep, here he goes again. Don't. There we go. This time you do it right. Except this time I got shot in the back again. Good grief. They're well coordinated. Oh, maybe they're talking. Maybe they are. Maybe they're talking. Don't know. Good grief. This has been a long battle. 23 minutes just in one battle. Oh my goodness. Well, at least I know where they're at. They're way over there. Maybe. Wait a second. I hear. Too late. Somebody got him though. Ha! He concentrated on me and got himself shot. It's 8 on 8 now. Well, at least the game kind of built up. We are losing now. Oh, I hate losing. There's no reason to have lost this. Nope. 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 See, they concentrate on me, they didn't see. Oh, go, get out of the way, get out of the way. Phew. Alright, let's go this way. Down here. I'm going to sneak around this because they're going to be looking for me. Yep. Told you. 1, 2. And they shot me from behind. They went behind it. Oh! They don't always do that. But that person was smart enough to. Who was that? It was Jagger. Yeah. Playing long enough to know. Ah, good grief. tank right here. Injured tank. Don't lose him. I'll go after tank. No, I'm not gonna be able to get him in time. Good grief. Swamp, you stink. You stink this time. You stink. You stink, stank, stunk. Oh my goodness. Oh well. Gentlemen, ladies, sometimes I just don't get it done. This time I didn't do it. I do appreciate you coming along. And this is Swamp Fox, and I will be saying Swamp Fox out.